Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to move money from Venmo to Cash App. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to transfer funds, follow these steps. Open Venmo, go to settings, add your bank details using manual verification for Cash App, and copy the routing and account number from Cash App direct deposits. Wait from 3 to 4 days from Venmo to verify your bank through multiple deposit and withdrawals. Verify your bank account on Venmo using the amounts from Cash App transactions. Now, we need to transfer funds from Venmo to Cash App. So, go to the dashboard, tap on Manage Balance, select Transfer to Bank, choosing within 3 days if instant doesn't work, and confirm. Wait from 2 to 3 days for the money to move from Venmo to your Cash App linked bank account. At this point, we need to transfer funds from Cash App to your bank. So, open Cash App, tap your profile, find Cash, tap on Cash Out, select your linked bank account and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.